What is that, Mary? Hi everybody, and welcome back to Mary's channel. Mary just woke up and she's watching dog. These are sounds that your dogs like on TV. What is that, Mary? What is that? Do you like those sounds? What do you think of that? Is that birds? You like birds? Yeah, you like birds. Why is that dog crying? Is that kitties? What are those kitties doing? Are they fighting? Yeah, that's not good, is it? Nope, they're not outside. They're on the TV. Those are dogs. No, they're not outside. What is that, Mary? Are they outside? Are you? Oh! Oh! What is that? So Mary loves watching TV. What is that, Mary? Are those big dogs? So Mary went for her walk and had her breakfast. She watched TV, and it's time to go back to sleep, isn't it? Say thank you for watching.